Alright guys, I'm going to be covering some basic pistol fundamentals. Specifically, we'll be covering how to safely load, unload, and then clear your pistol. Whether you're a beginner or you just need a refresher, this video will help you learn some of the basic pistol mechanics and help you build good habits. So the first thing you should do when you pick up a gun is clear it. Doesn't matter if you think you're absolutely certain that it was cleared or your friend told you that it was cleared. You still need to clear the gun. You can never overdo this. So we'll start by pointing the gun in a safe direction and lock the slide back to the rear by pressing up on the slide lock lever, which is right here. We use our thumb to push up, and at the same time, we'll grab the slide and pull it back. Once we've done this, we will perform a 3-point safety inspection, which includes the chamber in here, the magazine well, and then the breech face. You'll visually inspect to ensure that there isn't a round, brass, or any other kind of foreign debris in any of these areas. Once this is complete, just release the slide by pressing down on the slide lock lever with your thumb, and there's no need to guide it forward, just allow it to do its thing. That's it, the gun is clear. So to load the gun, we'll start by clearing it. Same exact thing we just did, because the first step to loading a gun is to clear it. So, grab the gun, keep it pointed in a safe direction. We'll push up on the slide lock lever with our thumb. We'll grab the slide, pulling it back, and lock the slide to the rear. We'll conduct the same 3-point safety inspection. That again is the chamber, the magazine well, and then the breech face. Once we do that, we will grab our magazine. For this video, I'm using dummy rounds, and we will insert the magazine into the magazine well, making sure it's seated properly. From here, we will watch a round enter the chamber as we push down on the slide lock lever, allowing the slide to go forward. And again, there's no reason to guide it forward. That'll just cause malfunction. And at this point, the gun is loaded, and you can either holster up or begin shooting. Now to unload the gun, again, keep your weapon pointed in a safe direction. And the first thing you're gonna do is drop the magazine by hitting the mag release button, which is located right here. We'll drop the magazine, and then we'll lock the slide back to the rear the same exact way we've been doing, but this time we'll watch a round exit the chamber. So from here, nothing changes. We do our same 3-point safety inspection. Again, the chamber, the magazine well, and the breech face. From here, we will allow the slide to go forward, and we will take the gun and make a well-aimed shot. At this point, the gun is clear. So, are there other ways to load? Yes, absolutely. Some of the steps are interchangeable when it comes to loading, and some people will conduct press checks after loading the gun by pulling the slide back slightly to get a visual confirmation. So Glock specifically even have a loaded chamber indicator on the extractor right here on the right side of the gun. And this allows you to get a visual and get a tactile feel even under low light conditions without having to mess with the gun. Remember, safety is always priority. Practice these steps regularly to build good habits and confidence. And never forget to always follow the 4 basic rules of firearm safety, which are treat every gun as if it's loaded, never point the muzzle at anything you're not willing to destroy, keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot, and then be sure of your target, what's in line with it, and what is behind it. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you out there.